how to remove a watermark from a video in CapCut. So there's actually an AI feature in CapCut that lets you automatically remove watermarks. Now to do this, you need to go and select your video clip like so. Click on video in the top navigation, and then you'll need to scroll down the page. Now you'll see an option here called AI remove. Go and turn this on like so, and then press allow. Now you need to use one of these brushes to go and select your watermark. So I'm just going to use the quick brush, and then you can go and quickly brush in the watermark that you want to remove. Now it should automatically select the watermark like so. You may also choose to adjust the size and then just press remove. Now bear in mind that you can only do this with clips less than 30 seconds in length. So you may need to go and chop your clips up into 30-second pieces, and you can go and remove the watermark on each one. Now just go and wait for this AI removal to get to 100%. Now once it's finished, you can go and play the video back and the watermark should now be removed. Now if it doesn't work the first time round, you'll just need to go and brush in the watermark at the points of the video that it's missed. And that's how to remove watermarks using AI in CapCut.